Rat Race is my business. We're a waste collection company. We buy recyclable waste products from the street vendors. They usually borrow a trolley from Pick n Pay or Checkers, and they go and collect PET, which is the most profitable item that they can collect to sell, as well as white paper, and that's how they transport their stuff to us. There's no recyclers in the Free State. We're all only collectors, so everything gets sent to Joburg to be recycled. Rat Race had, at this time last year, we had 6 employees. Through the ILO challenge, we employed another 7 people, so we have 13 at the moment. Since we've been more visible in the streets, we support about 70 street guys. On different days, there's different people, but they are basically the same group of people, and they can go home with a little bit of money each night and feed their families. Unemployment is the highest in the Free State, in the country, and these guys are proud of creating an income for themselves. My dream for Rat Race is to not really become a lot bigger, but we believe in giving personal service, and the few corporate clients we have, we try and give them the best possible service we can, to keep the places clean, to load all their stuff timeously, and in that way make a difference.
Because motho o kgona hore o robale o jile o beile borotho tafoleng.
Ha le ke ithutela haholo ka recycling. Ke ithutile jwale ka ha o swata ntho tsena.
Na re tshwere monate na le gona jwale ka re ditimi ra utlwana, so ke a thabela.
We're creating a better South Africa by doing the recycling. Our kids might not even know a clean country if no one starts to recycle. We have to be positive about it and do our bit. Each person must at least try and recycle.